Hello everyone. Today, law teacher comes before you with a new question. How to write a problem-based question in exams. Here are 9 simple tips to answer this type of questions easily. Firstly, read the question in detail. The student should be acquainted with the facts before considering other points. You must have precise understanding of the facts. Read the question twice or thrice with proper time management. Once the student is thorough with the question, it will be easy to identify the issues involved. Secondly, divide the question. If the question is lengthy, then the students have to divide the question into parts so that it will be easy to understand the facts. Even the students can write down the facts by numbering it consecutively. Begin with the facts. The students can start writing the fact without missing any points. Don't write imaginary facts that are not expressly provided in the question. Next is an important task to find out the legal issues. The legal issue involved will decide the manner in which you approach the principles and how you apply these principles to the facts. Sometimes there may be more than one issue. In such cases, the students have to deal with each issue separately. Consider one issue at a time. The students have to be careful that they do not mix up issues and write the legal principles combining issues. First issue should be discussed completely and then move on to the second issue. Next is to find out the law applicable to the issues. Taking each issue, the students have to find out the relevant law applicable and apply to that issue. While applying this, it will be identified with the right law to the given question. Find out related or similar case laws. The next important point is the identification of related or similar case laws to be applied to the issues. Once you identify the case laws, it will be easy to reach a right conclusion. Apply the law or case laws to the facts. Now, the students can apply the legal principles and case laws to the facts in hand. They can relate all the identified laws to the facts of the case. Last is to decide the case. With these facts, issues, legal principles, case laws and application of law to the facts, the students may reach conclusion for the problem before you. Once you identify issues and law, then it is easy to decide the case. Try these 9 tips in the upcoming exams. Law teacher will come back soon with new videos. Thank you.